NEET SS result can be published in any time now. And NB has also announced the counseling for NEET SS will start from the first week of May. Now, this is the high time for the student to make a proper strategy for the admissions in NEET SS. We are keep updating about college information, fee structures, number of seats in different private colleges based on different specialty courses. In today's video, I'll give you the information about one of the most reputed private medical college in North India, that is in Madhya Pradesh, Sri Aurobindo Institute of Medical Science. Apart from Aurobindo, I will also give you the information about People's Medical College. So let's start with the informations about the Aurobindo Institute, Indore. In Aurobindo Institute, DM Cardiology, 3 seats are there and fees 8 lakhs per annum. DM Gastroenterology, 2 seats are there, fees is 8 lakhs per annum. DM Nephrology, 4 seats are there and fee is 8 lakhs per annum. Neurology, 2 seats are there and fee is 8 lakhs per annum. Medical Oncology, 6 seats are there and fee is 8 lakhs per annum. Endocrinology, DM Endocrinology, 2 seats are there and fee is 8 lakhs per annum. Neurosurgery, MCH Neurosurgery, 2 seats are there, fees is approximately 18.72 lakhs per annum. MCH Surgical Oncology, 4 seats are there, fee is approximately 18 lakhs 72,000 per annum. MCH Urology, 4 seats are there, fee is around 18 lakhs 72,000 per annum. This is the number of seat and fees in Aurobindo Institute of Medical Science, Indore. Next, I'll tell you about People College of Medical Science and Research. There only one department is there, that is DM Endocrinology. 2 seats are there. Fees is per annum 20,000 per annum. So this is the fee structure and number of seats in these 2 private medical college, which is situated in MP, Indore and Bhopal respectively. Student, if you feel this all information will help you in the counseling process, you can like this video. If you have not yet subscribed our YouTube channel, you subscribe our YouTube channel to get all important and relevant information regarding the NEET SS admission. We have the counseling guidance services for NEET SS admissions. If you are looking for entire guidance process for NEET SS admission, you can contact me in this number 9900486666. So we'll make a proper strategy based on your specialty courses requirement, and we'll make proper choices order. So you'll be getting the best options according to your NEET SS rank. If you have any query, you can give your query in the comment sections of this video. In my next video, when after the NEET result will be published, I will share with you the informations related to the bond of different private medical college, which query is coming from the student. But yes, we are making all the research regarding the bond. We'll give you the complete information regarding the bond in our YouTube video. So you keep updated all this information for your counseling process. We'll also give you the informations of stipend. Stipend information we are already given. Few of the informations we will also share in my future videos. If you have not yet subscribed, you subscribe this channel and keep connected with us. Thank you so much, students.